Alright, let's talk about one of the worst feelings in trading. Staring at the chart, seeing the price move, and having absolutely no idea if you should get in, get out, or just stay away. You're paralyzed by guesswork. What if you could strip away all that noise and confusion? In this video, I'm gonna break down a simple 2-indicator framework that helps you focus on setups that align with the bigger trend. And look, this isn't some magic bullet. It's about building a repeatable process so you can look at the market with more confidence. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set this up for yourself. Okay, so the first tool we're putting on our chart is called the Flux charts SFX Algo. Now, its main job is to do one thing very well: identifying potential trade setups. You can see right here, it prints these buy and sell signals directly on the candles. But here's what it makes so useful from a process standpoint. The moment a signal appears, it also gives you a pre-built trade plan. See this? It plots a stop loss level right below the entry and gives you multiple take profit targets above it. The thinking behind the trade, your entry, your exit if you're wrong, and your potential profit targets is mapped out instantly. Now let's get this set up. It's super straightforward. Once you add it to your chart, we're just gonna pop open the settings. First, I'll set the trading style to day trading. We're gonna keep the trend length on long term. Then, and this is important, I'm gonna increase the sensitivity to 4. Now, you might be thinking, won't that give me too many signals? And the answer is yes on its own. It absolutely would, but that's part of the strategy here. We want to be alerted to more potential moves because we're about to add a filter that will tell us which one are actually worth paying attention to. We want to see the opportunities, but we'll be very picky about which one we act on. Now, this brings us to the most important part of this entire strategy. How do we know at a glance what the real market trend is? That's where our second tool comes in. This is our filter. This indicator is called market bias. Its only job is to give us a dead simple visual read on the market direction. That's it. No complicated lines, no guesswork. For the settings on this one, I set the period and the smoothing to 45. The The reason I use these settings is because they filter out all the small and significant choppy price action and show you the underlying momentum. Here's how we read it, and it couldn't be simpler. If the bands are bright green, it tells me that the buyers are in firm control of the trend. If it's bright red, sellers are in control. If it's any other color or just flat, it means the market is undecided. And for me, that's a signal to stand aside and wait for clarity. So now let's put our two rules together as a simple checklist. Rule number 1. We need a signal from the Flux chart's SFX Algo indicator. Rule number 2. The market bias indicator must agree with that signal. Look at this example again. We get a buy signal from the Flux charts. We look at our filter and it's bright green. That's the confirmation we were waiting for. That's a high probability setup according to the system. Now here's a short. We get a sell signal. What does our filter say? It's bright red. The trend agrees with the signal. But let's go back to that losing trade from before. Remember the sell signal? When we look at our market bias filter, what do we see? It's clarity showing green, a strong uptrend. So what do? We ignore the signal. We just skip it entirely. That one filter just prevented us from taking a low quality trade that was fighting the market momentum. This combination is one way to build a set of rules for your trading. If you want to get the Flux chart's SFX Algo indicator on your own chart, you can find the link down in the description or the pinned comment. Just remember, this content is for educational purpose only and isn't financial advice.